Affiliate marketing is all about connecting the right products with the right people. But finding the perfect products, creating compelling content, and reaching your target audience can be a lot of work. That's where artificial intelligence AI comes in. AI tools are revolutionizing affiliate marketing, making it easier than ever to build a successful, profitable business. Let's explore some of the best AI tools available. 1. AI-powered content creation. Forget writer's block. AI writing tools generate high-quality, engaging content in minutes. These aren't just robots churning out generic text. Sophisticated AI tools understand context, tone, and style, creating unique content tailored to your specific needs. Use cases. Write product reviews, create blog posts about affiliate products, generate social media captions, draft email sequences for nurturing leads. Examples: Jasper, Copy.ai, Writer, Article Forge. 2. Keyword research and SEO optimization. Finding the right keywords is crucial for attracting organic traffic. AI-powered SEO tools analyze search trends, suggest relevant keywords, and help optimize your website and content for better search engine rankings. Use cases. Discover high-volume, low-competition keywords related to your niche, optimize your website's meta descriptions and title tags, analyze your competitors' SEO strategies. Examples: SEMrush, Ahrefs, Surfer SEO. While not solely AI, they heavily leverage AI for analysis and suggestions. 3. Image generation and enhancement. High-quality images are essential for capturing attention online. AI image generators create unique visuals, while AI enhancement tools improve existing images, making them more appealing and shareable. Use cases. Create eye-catching images for social media posts. Generate product images for your website. Improve the quality of existing photos. Create unique banner images for ads. Examples: Midjourney, DALL-E 2, Stable Diffusion for generation. Adobe Photoshop with AI features for enhancement. 4. Chatbots and customer service. AI-powered chatbots provide instant customer support, answering common questions and guiding customers through the purchasing process. This improves customer satisfaction and increases conversions. Use cases. Answer customer inquiries about your affiliate products, provide technical support, guide customers to your affiliate links, collect customer feedback. Examples: many. Chat, Chatfuel, Dialogflow. 5. Social media management. AI tools help schedule posts, analyze engagement, and identify trending topics, saving you time and effort in managing your social media presence. Use cases. Schedule posts across multiple platforms, analyze your audience's behavior, identify trending hashtags related to your niche, boost your content visibility. Examples: Hootsuite, Buffer, Sprout Social with AI-powered features. 6. Product research and discovery. Finding the right products to promote is critical. AI-powered tools can analyze product trends, identify popular products in your niche, and even suggest new product opportunities. Use cases. Discover high-demand products in your niche, analyze product reviews and ratings, identify potential affiliate products, monitor competitor offerings. Examples: while there aren't dedicated AI product research tools yet, many market research platforms are incorporating AI for trend analysis. 7. Personalized recommendations. AI algorithms analyze customer data to deliver personalized product recommendations, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Use cases. Recommend specific affiliate products based on a customer's browsing history or purchase patterns. Examples: many e-commerce platforms have built-in AI recommendation engines. You can leverage these if you're promoting products on those sites. Important considerations. While AI tools offer significant advantages, remember they're tools, not magic wands. Human oversight is crucial for ensuring quality, accuracy, and ethical practices. Always review AI-generated content and make sure the recommendations you give to your audience are genuinely helpful and relevant. A personalized touch, showcasing your expertise, remains crucial for building trust and converting your audience.